Guys, she's actually from southwest London, like totally southwest of London. That's where she's from. So, you know, the problem's solved. Actually, yeah, it's totally solved. And I think that's the thing, innit? You know, like you go on the internet and it says things like Sarah Valentine, born in Surrey. Like there's Surrey in Auckland in New Zealand. There's Surrey in America. There's Surrey in England. There's a lot of Surrey. But anyway, we know it's southwest London. So it's sweet, darling. It's absolutely sweet. I ain't going to worry about it. Excuse me. That's not very polite, is it? Coughing midway through a sentence. But no, I love that there's people trying to guess where I'm from. And at the end of the day, it's not that I don't want people to know, but when people book me for accent coaching, I want them to book the coach that they need. You know what I mean? So if they want an American accent coach, they get an American accent coach. If they need a London accent coach, they got a London one. It's just about doing my job as proper as I can. All right, take it easy. Thanks, babes.